Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, glad to have you. So about a week or so ago, I got that Amazon mystery bag. It was the Amazon mystery bag. I think I paid 10 bucks for it. And I got in that bag, I think it was 6 products. So I'm going to show you 3 of them today, do kind of a review and see what we think. I got that really pretty eyeshadow palette right there. It was the Give 'em Some Shade Multi-Finish eyeshadow palette from Clean Color. And then I got an eyeliner pencil from that brand Nabi in black. And I got also from Nabi a mauve lip liner. So I'm going to fill in my lips with that and see how that works. I'm going to put this on my waterline. We're going to review the shadow palette, see if it's any good, see if it was worth my 10 bucks, and see if it was a good mystery bag. So I want to start something new on my channel. I kind of already started it, but I want to kind of keep it going, where I give shout outs to smaller YouTube channels, because I think that I have found some amazing YouTubers that have a very small following like myself, and so many great bigger YouTubers have given me a shout out and helped me and helped my channel. So I want to pay it forward. I want to continue this and make this kind of a regular thing here on my channel. So to start off with, I want to shout out to No Drama Makeup Mama. She is a new channel like myself, and she is incredible. I went over and watched some of her videos, and she did a Violet Voss look with that new eyeshadow palette that we got from Boxy Luxe. She did 2 different looks, and I think she did amazing. She has other videos on there that are really good as well, so check her out. Also, be on the lookout for Tanya Hembry Blue. I hope I said your last name right. She hasn't started her channel yet, but she expressed to me that she is definitely thinking about starting a YouTube channel. So keep the lookout for her. I hope she does. I think she would be great for YouTube. I think it would be fantastic. Also, her sister, Jessie Lynn. Go over and check out her channel. She is a country music singer, and if you like country music, you'll love this girl. She is beautiful. She can sing. Oh, it is amazing. So definitely check out those channels that I mentioned. Show them some love. Let them know that I sent you, and just enjoy them because they're great. All right, so enough of the rambling now, because if I continue, I'll go on and on and on for hours, and you know, we ain't got time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow primer base. I want to give this palette the best, absolute best review I can give it. Give it the best chance. And you don't need very much. I just do a little bit like that. And then I tap it onto my eyelid and just kind of work it in. But this is pretty good. This is a pretty good primer for a drugstore brand. So I recommend checking that out if you need a good eyeshadow primer. Okay, now that I have my eyeshadow primer laid and I have some setting powder that I went ahead and set it with, because I think it just makes the makeup glide on so much better, the eyeshadow rather, glide so much on today. It makes the eyeshadow glide on a lot better. All right, so I'm going to go in, like, the mattes are kind of light in this palette. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here as a transition shade. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe N441 brush to do that with. How are you guys doing? Oh, that's pretty powdery. Look at that powder. Yeah, the fallout's crazy on this one. How are you guys doing today? How was your week? Did you guys have a good week? Did you have a long week? Are you glad it's Friday? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Share that below. I really, really do want to know. Okay, so far it seems to be blending pretty good, but it is definitely powdery. Every time I go back in, I can just see the dust rising. Watch this. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it just, powder goes everywhere. So, yeah, so anyway, I wanted to say too, while I'm doing this little review here, I wanted to say thank you to all the channels that help the other channels out, because you know what? Women supporting women and uplifting women empowering women, all that stuff is amazing, because women doesn't, we don't need to tear each other down. We don't need to all compete with each other and tear each other down. And I'm sorry if I'm kind of looking off this way. I'm using my phone camera, so that's the only mirror that I have. So I apologize. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Women need to stand up for other women, and we need to support each other and not feel as though we have to compete. So all the lovely women that have, and men really, because I've had a couple of men, everybody that supports each other, that's such a beautiful thing, because this world it can be really a drag, with all the stuff going on. It's, so thank you guys. I'm going to go back in with that transition shade. I'm going to try to throw some in the crease a little deeper, see if it does anything by adding to it. Anyway, I think that everybody that decides to do a YouTube channel does it for a reason, whether it be just to get on here and have some fun, to try to make new friends, or in situations like mine where you're battling depression, anxiety, panic attacks, things like that, and you need something to kind of help you out. And those are the channels that I enjoy the most, because I can relate to those people. And you know what? Not every day it's hard for some people every day to get on here and film, because either their mental illness is really giving them a hard time, or even people with physical disabilities and illnesses. It's hard. It's hard for them to get out of bed and get on here and put on a positive face and positive attitude and upbeat and all that stuff. And so I applaud people who can do that, and so I enjoy them. All right, so I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here, and I'm going to try to darken or deepen up that outer V a little bit. See if we can. It's a little bit of a shimmer shade. I don't usually go in my crease and outer V with shimmer shades, but I don't have much to choose from with this palette other than this black right here, and black is not for me. Black just, no. All right, so this palette though is blending out really well. I can't really complain. I've never heard of this product before. I did have a subscriber say that she had used nail polish from this brand, and she said it was pretty good, but I've never heard of it until I got this mystery bag. So, can't complain, guys. It's not doing too bad, And of course, my asthma is a little bit flared up on me today, so if you hear me breathing like Darth Vader, that's why. But yeah, back to what I was saying as I apply this pretty shadow. And it's definitely, see that kickback down there from this shade onto this shade here. So it's powdery, but that's not a complete deal breaker for me. Not for me, it's not. So anyway, I don't know how many of my subscribers or people who watch me deal with any type of mental illness or physical illness in their life. And honestly, I hope not many of you do, because I don't wish that on anybody, because it's hard. But what are some of the things that you guys do when you're, like, if you don't do YouTube, you just, whatever. What are some of the things that you guys do to help yourself have a positive day? I would love to know. I would love for you guys to share with me in the comments below what you do to combat those things. All right, so I'm just going to go in with my not my Ipsy brush, my Luxie brush that I got from Ipsy, and this is the Luxie 249 brush. I'm just going to kind of blend a little bit. I'm going to take some more of that transition shade and soften up around the edges here. Make sure everything is blended good. And I mean, as you can see, this is absolutely a very, very, very neutral palette. And the look I'm doing is extremely neutral, but I am a neutral queen because, you know, I think I'm scared of the bright colors. I don't think that I don't like them. I think I'm scared of them. I really do. I think because those bright colors, let's be real, you have to really know what you're doing to work with them so that they come out right. You know, that's just my belief on it. You definitely have to know what you're doing. All right, so I am going to go in now with a wet brush because I tested on my finger and they feel very powdery, so I know if I go in with a dry brush, you won't even see them. So I'm gonna go in with a wet brush, grab some of the shimmer here, and I am, pardon me, I am going to go in with this rose gold shade right here because I think it's very pretty. I love rose gold. I'm a rose gold lover. And I'm gonna pop this on my lid. Oh, not bad. Okay, nice. Make sure we get it all the way down here. All right, so do you guys like, I mean, what's some of your favorite eyeshadow colors? Do you love bright colors and bold colors? Do you like nudes? Do you like them both? Tell me in the comments below. Because I tell you what, I don't have Instagram or Facebook, but I do have Twitter. So if you guys ever want to find me on Twitter, you can look me up at @_confidence+, and you will find me. But I see some of the most beautiful, colorful looks ever on my on my Twitter. And these people have talent. I couldn't even, you know, I'm thinking, oh, look at me. Yeah. Those people have true talent. God bless them. All right, so there's that. Got that lid shimmered up a little bit there. I'm gonna go in here and blend just a little bit more. I love to blend because if you don't, you look like you got a bruise on your eye. Who wants that, right? So go back over here. It looks a little bit like, if you could see right there, the shimmer is kind of setting into that crease that I have because I have hooded eyes. So I'm going to try to blend that out a little bit better because it needs it. Go back in with my little Ipsy brush. There I went again. I called it an Ipsy brush. My Luxie brush. Ipsy must be thinking about me. Must be gonna be getting my bag here soon. And I can't wait. I'm excited. Love me some Ipsy. I'm trying to get on that Glam Bag Plus waiting list, but I can't find the link, so they must not be taking anybody just yet. I can't wait till they do because I want it. All right, so I'm gonna go on my lower lash line with some of that the transition shade that I used a minute ago because this is a light look, so I want to keep it light. All right, so I am now going to go in with that black eyeliner. I feel that in my experience, when I used to wear black eyeliner, because I don't hardly wear eyeliner at all anymore, I like to keep my eyes as light as possible. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my candle lighter. I feel that any pencil style eyeliner, maybe not all of them, but most of them need heated up to perform well. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, you can't even see it because it didn't even go on. Even heated up, it did not glide on. The pigmentation was just absolutely not there. So I do not recommend this Nabi black eyeliner. It is a flop for sure. No ma'am. All right, so now I'm gonna just kind of high bright. Girl, I'm going to highlight this brow bone right here a little bit. I love this stuff. I could bathe in this Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I really could. It is my absolute favorite. As you can see, I have dug into that. I absolutely love it. Pop some in that inner corner. All right, so now I'm gonna throw in some mascara, throw on some mascara. If I can talk today, it would be fantastic. All right, so I went ahead and applied that lip liner all over the lips. It did okay, but the only problem that, well, the biggest problem, I guess, and it's a huge problem, is I only got one use out of it. This here doesn't turn, it pops off, so now I don't have any more product to use. So I can't recommend this either to you guys because, well, if you're going to get one use out of it, then it's not worth your money. So the eyeliner and the lip liner were both a flop, but I think the eyeshadow palette did very, very well. This is the final look. I am not displeased with it. I think it's pretty good. What did you guys think about it? Did you like the eyeshadow? Do you like the lip color? What do you think about Nobby products if you have used them? And tell me if you would get an Amazon mystery bag ever. You guys stay beautiful. Have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye.